Welcome to the MatrixPlus-RBI Mobile App. My name's Dan Mulcahy from Technical Matrix Services. This mobile app is a RBI analysis tool to conduct basic RBI on selected equipment. For those who are not familiar with the term RBI, RBI stands for Risk-Based Inspection. The app itself contains the essential elements for conducting an RBI analysis on equipment. There is a choice of three different matrix configurations, a 3x3, 4x4, or the 5x5 as used within the API 580-581 standards. Each of these configurations can then be given a choice of inspection frequencies, which can be edited by the user. Once you have added your asset tag item and selected your RBI configuration with its inspection frequencies, we can now commence the RBI analysis. Our first task is to select an appropriate damage mode from the drop-down library. There are over 80 damage modes listed. These can be deterioration mechanisms or damage mechanisms. Obviously, if we've missed any out, please let us know. Once you have selected your damage mode, it's now time to enter the scoring. The basic principle is we start with the consequence factor and then enter the likelihood or probability score. There are 4 risk factor sections to complete on any single damage mode, commencing with the most important, safety, then health, followed by environment and asset sections. The user will be able to see each risk factor section within the app. More damage mode selections and scorings can be added. On completion of your RBI analysis, the final tab in the app is the report showing the results. This report can be sent directly to your registered email address in an Excel format. That allows you to import directly into your asset integrity management software. Note, the free version allows you to analyze 100 assets with a maximum of 3 damage modes. The Pro version has unlimited assets and up to 5 damage modes on each. Now let's begin using the app. First, select your MatrixPlus icon on your mobile device. As a new registered user, you will need to enter your email and you will be emailed a login code. Login code is a 4-digit code. Now we're at the asset management page where we have the asset tag, asset type, facility and RBI matrix configuration. First of all, let's enter a tag. In this case, this is obviously a sample V9123. Asset type, as you will see, there is a whole list of appropriate vessels and different pieces of equipment. In this case, I'm going to select a vessel separator. Then you can put in your personal facility. In this case, this will be a plant example. And then I'm going to select the RBI matrix configuration. In this case, 5x5. I want to look at the inspection frequency configuration for this. And as you can see, there's a default there, but I can change it. So I can go to, for example, D5 and change it to 366, which is 1 year, 366 days. Same goes for E3. I'm going to change that to 2 years and E4 to 1 year and save it. So this is my unique inspection frequency. Now, we are now going to select a damage mode. In this case, a very popular one, atmospheric corrosion. I select the damage mode, and I'll start scoring the consequence and then the probability for each factor. In this case, safety, followed by health, then the environmental score, and finally, asset. There is my first damage mode. As you can see, for each of the factors, safety, health, environment, and asset. Let's put another damage mode in. Select, and in this case, CO2. And I will follow exactly the same pattern by entering the safety consequence and probability, and continue with the rest of the factors of health, environment, and asset. Let's add another one. In this case, MIG, microbiology-induced corrosion, and follow exactly the same technique. As stated, on the free version, you can put up to 3 damage modes, and on the pro version, obviously, you can put in up to 5. And finally, we're going to put one more in, which is wet H2S, and follow the same sequence. Let's see what we have. Safety, health, environment, and finally the asset. Now we have our report, and this report can be directly exported and emailed to your registered address. And there we go. And you should receive the email with the report shortly. Well, I hope that was simple. Obviously, any questions, please email as we log out of the app. Thank you.